Okay, we're going to start by looking at an example, see how we can find the div f, or the divergence of f. So if we allow f to be x squared I plus y squared j plus y z k. So if we look at that, we can see that we have a vector and we now want to find the div of that vector, which of course would be a scalar. So we start off with a vector field and we finish after div with a scalar field. So the div of f would be, well, we're going to do partial differential with respect to x on the coefficient of I, plus partial differential with respect to y on the coefficient of j, and then finally partial differential with respect to z of the coefficient of k, which would be y, z. And then we just literally do the partial differentiation. So we would get 2x plus 2y plus y. So our solution would be 2x plus 3y. Okay, let's do another example. Let's have vector p to be 3x squared y plus xyz I plus x squared y squared z j plus 3xz minus yz k. Okay, so here's our vector p and we want to find div of p. So we're going to look at this coefficient of I and partially differentiate it with respect to x. So that would give us 6xy plus yz, and then we're going to look at the coefficients of j and partially differentiate that with respect to y. So that would give us 2x squared yz, and then finally partially differentiate this with respect to z. So that would give 3x minus y. And then we have a solution for div p for that particular vector p.